Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable the casting feature on Microsoft Edge browser. So if you don't have it already open, just search it on the start menu and you can open that. And now if you want to see the casting option, I'll click on these three dots on the top right corner, and then I'll go to the more tools, and here you can find this option cast media to the device, and in this way you can cast your media to the device. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.